Hello, good afternoon. That's your favorite poultry farmer, Godboat Kelly Chukewka. Guys, today is 24th of May 2026, and I'm here to show you guys our update. Come, let me why you guys. Show them the ambient of the building. I see what's happening here. There is a lot of progress. The last time I showed you was last week. Now, are you seeing the difference? Come on, let me show you guys. Now, you can see the difference. Now, everything have been leveled. Everything have been leveled from, you see? Everything has been leveled. These guys are done with the roof. They're almost done with the roof. Now, the next thing now we are looking at is casting. Come on, please. The next thing we're looking at is casting. Now, what they'll be doing now, they'll be casting here. They'll be filling up all these spaces. Then they'll be smoothing the ground. Now, the height of the cage. Remember, I told you guys it's 4 tiers of cage. First, second, third, fourth. So the cage will be very high. You're looking at the height of the cage should be around this axis, this height. So for those who will be feeding, they will need something more like a roller that will be pushing them to be feeding the bird. So are you seeing how the progress here is wonderful? So now what we'll be doing next now is I told you guys we'll be tying after tying, they'll smooth everywhere, plaster everywhere. Then while they are doing those ones, the carpenter guys are doing the second pen. Now this is pen 5, that's pen 6. Guys, we are short, we are done. By next week, if I show you guys by next week by next week I think we'll be entering by next week I think we'll be entering June, sorry, June. So you'll be see you will not recognize here by next week. I promise you guys. So God have been so good. As you can see, I told you guys last week that they will level here. Here wasn't leveled before. They've leveled everywhere. Now here have been leveled as well. As you can see how now I told you guys that they'll be casting. They casted the first and second pillar. Now other pillars were used. They use rod for it. Now we are doing so well. Everything is being done. Guys, you are good to go. Okay. So I remember that your favorite platform and God both Kelly Chukewka. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well and guys. And we have egg. If you need egg, we are in Kochikom Buhari Abuja after Nigerian Law School. Okay. Just show them the view. By next week, they will enter the second pen. Yeah, by next week we'll enter the second pen. And God have been so good. God have been super, super good. As you can see, these guys are doing so well. Our project is going smoothly. Everything we need have been provided, and guys, we're almost done. So the next thing now is they'll cast. After casting, they'll smoothing, they'll plaster everywhere. They'll plaster all this things. Yeah, and we're good to go. Okay, remember that if you're very good from God both Kelly Chukewka. Thank you. Awesome.